The way things are expensive in the market these days, hey God, I beg. That's a story for another day. Join me as I make this pineapple jollof rice for my family of four. Join us, okay? And another thing again that I want to say is that you see, food content creation, it is not easy. I think it's one of the hardest and energy draining content creation out there. Because you see, you will go to the market and buy things, you will come back, you will cook, you will do the work of the videographer, you will capture every moment, even as you are cooking. Sometimes you might be the one alone in that kitchen doing all those things. And after that, you might be getting a video of 28 minutes, you're getting a 28 minute video, long video. And you will now come and start editing it. You cut it down to 3 minutes, five minutes video from 28 minutes video. So it is not easy. If you see any food content creator video out there, please endeavor to like, comment, share. Even though I have passion for this food content creation, I would have given up. Oh. I would have given up. So please, if you come across my video, please like it, share it, comment on it. It gives me that morale. It gives me that energy to do more. Thank you. So in this place, I'm adding my scotch bonnet pepper and onion into the blender to blend it. Okay. And one thing again I like adding in my jollof rice is crayfish. I love crayfish. I love it so much. So I added it to this pineapple jollof rice. I added water so that it will allow the blender blend it very well. Sorry. After that, I wanted to toast my rice, so I added groundnut oil to the pot. I added my pepper mix. After I stir, I added my spices. You see this Benny? Benny is a game changer for me. I like it in my jollof rice. I added my Benny and other spices. I stir, and I added my seasoning cubes. I added my rice and I stir. I toasted the rice with those ingredients because I wanted the flavor to come into the rice. And this is our star girl, our pineapple juice. I added it into the pot. After adding it, I added the turkey stock I got from the turkey. After adding it, I stir, and I cover up the pot and allow it to cook. I cooked it on a medium low heat. After about 45 minutes, this is what we have. Our rice is ready, very delicious. But I like adding carrots. I like adding vegetables to my jollof rice. So I've already prepped the vegetable at the back end. So now I'm adding my oil and the turkey and the gizzard that I got. I added a little bit of gizzard to it as well. So I add the gizzard. I fried it a little bit before adding my carrots and my green beans, and I added my spring onions. I stir, and I added it to the rice. Just stir fry it for a bit. Then I added the veggies to the rice and I stir. And this is what we have. I have to serve the rice in my palatable, beautiful plantain. My palatable, beautiful pineapple plate. So after serving it, I topped it up with my delicious turkey. The turkey was so delicious. I liked it. I added the turkey to it and I went to serve my Odogu husband. Oppress the single. I went to serve my husband with it. And we ate and we enjoyed ourselves. This food was so delicious. So, guys, thanks for watching. Drop your comment, like, and share this video, okay? See you till we come your way next time. Bye.